Igbos are indeed beautiful people in character and in every manner.
Igbo women have always played an important role in Igbo society. They have shown strength, creativity, and leadership from the past to today. They are mothers, traders, activists, and professionals, and their influence is clear in Nigeria and the world at large. Igbo women shine brightly as beacons of unparalleled intelligence, wisdom, and academic prowess. From the halls of academia to the corridors of power, their remarkable contribution and achievements have solidified their reputation as the epitome of intellectual excellence. With an insatiable taste for knowledge and relentless drive for success, Igbo women have constantly excelled in various fields of study and professional endeavors. Their commitment to education and intellectual pursuit knows no bounds as they continue to break barriers and defy expectations with their brilliance and innovation. In precolonial Igbo society, women had important roles in governance, the economy, and social life. Unlike many societies where men held most of the powers, Igbo culture was more balanced, allowing women to take part in decision-making. Women helped run the village markets, work in farms, and were involved in local justice. Groups like the Umuada and Otu Inyom ensured that women had a say in the community matters. The Umuada, for example, helped in settling family disputes and community disagreements and keeping order in the community, showing that the Igbo valued everyone's responsibilities and respected women's role. During the colonial period, traditional systems were interrupted, pushing women's governance roles into the background. However, Igbo women resisted this marginalization with a lot of determination. A pivotal historical moment occurred during the 1929 Aba Women War, when thousands of Igbo women united in a powerful stand against colonial policies, particularly the taxation imposed on women. Market women spearheaded these protests, demonstrating their remarkable capacity to organize and collaborate. Such an event holds significant importance in Nigeria's past, illustrating the resilience of women in the face of unjust treatment. After Nigeria's independence, Igbo women continued to strive for education, political representation, and women's equality. Notable leaders emerged, including Margaret Igbo. Margaret Igbo was one of major nationalists and feminists who worked to include women in politics and became one of Nigeria's first female members of parliament. Her contribution paved the way for future generations of women leaders. Igbo women are known for being very industrious. In the past, they contributed much to the economy through business and trade. Markets like the Onitsha main market were established by women traders who connected local economies with global markets. Igbo women still lead in business, running companies and international projects. Education has always been very important to Igbo families, and women have used it to do well in different jobs. Igbo women have led the way in education, technology, healthcare, and the arts, showing how valuable knowledge and personal growth are. Igbo women have shown great strength, whether facing challenges during the Nigerian Civil War of 1967 to 1970 or starting new life in other countries. They rebuilt, adjusted, and succeeded, often keeping their culture while fitting into different societies. The role of Igbo women in preserving culture is important. They pass on the Igbo-rich cultural heritage to the younger generation through storytelling, music, fashion, and festivals. Igbo women owes strength, grace, and success. With a history as traders and community leaders, today they are striving in global politics, business, and arts. They continue to inspire and lead others. All their hard work and contribution keep Igbo culture strong and relevant at home and in diaspora. Some notable Igbo women include Margaret Ekpo, Professor Dola Akwele, Professor Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Dr. Stella Okolie, Obi Ezekwesili, Bianca Ojukwu, Aroma Ote, Chinyere Kalu, Stella Odua, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Professor Grace Alele, Ndi Okereke Onyuke, Chioma Ajunwa, Genevieve Nnaji, Stephanie Okeleke, Chinyere Kalu, Kemble Anyadike, Nkechi Obi, Pauline Igbokwe, Linda Ikeji, Uche Pedro, among many others.